Welcome to the channel. Glazed tofu is incredibly easy to prepare and delicious. This is completely vegan and you will never tire of making and enjoying it. The easiest way to prepare this tofu is to remove the excess water by wrapping it with a kitchen towel and pressing down with a heavy pot or pan for at least 15 minutes. The idea is to make an even textured glaze, so the grated spices would be preferred rather than minced spices. Don't throw away the remaining garlic, chop it and use it. Scallions are used for the glaze, green onion and radish are used for the garnishing. We will soak the vegetables in cold water. If you enjoy exploring various cooking cuisines, please subscribe to the channel. The 15-minute wait time is over. Now we are cutting the tofu into bite-sized cubes, which is the easiest way to prepare a tofu dish that I have ever found. Oh, this is an extra firm tofu. Now, let's prepare the marinade for the tofu. You will need ketchup, chili sauce, and soy sauce. There is no need to add extra salt as this sauce already contains plenty of salt. If you like more garlicky flavor, then you can add up to 2 more cloves of garlic. This recipe is broken down to easy steps so a novice can easily be confident. Coat the tofu well with sauces and then lightly coat with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch at the end. Set aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. To prepare the red sauce, you will need ketchup and chili sauce. For the black sauce, you will need regular soy sauce, vinegar, black soy sauce. You can skip the black soy sauce, or if you like the darker color, then you can add extra 1.5 teaspoon of black soy sauce as well. We need sugar to balance the acidic taste of vinegar. My preference is brown sugar and the water for this. Now coming back to the tofu, we need to coat it with 1 or 2 tablespoons of flour and fry them in batches. In a large pan, we are gonna add 8 to 10 tablespoons vegetable oil. Heat the oil thoroughly. We should use regular oil as this oil is gonna be really hot. Each batch needs a total 5 to 6 minutes to fry or until evenly golden from the outside. Take them off from the oil and place them in a wire rack while they are done. In the same pan with only 1 tablespoon of previously used oil, we will add the chopped garlic first. Let them sizzle for a couple of seconds on medium heat. Add grated garlic, ginger, scallion, and a pinch of salt or 1/8 teaspoon of salt. You can use any type of onion, but I prefer scallion for a mild effect. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes or until they are fragmented. Add red sauce and sugar water. Let them cook for a minute so the rawness of the spices are no longer. Now it's time to add the black sauce we have made earlier on the pan. Add green onion and cornstarch slurry. Please stir the slurry before you pour. Once you add the cornstarch slurry, it will start to thicken up. Turn the heat off and coat them. Soon the tofu will appear bright and glazy. Serve immediately with your choice of carb and vegetable. For a nice finishing touch, you can always garnish with sesame seeds and green onion. Visually, tofu looks incredibly beautiful and packed with flavors. It is definitely one of our family favorite dishes. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you for your support. See you soon.